The 2026 F-150 Lightning is one of the most practical and job site-friendly trucks on sale today. It's also comfortable and impressively quick. But the Lightning's full-size truck credentials come into question when you want to tow due to modest limits and reduced range. All F-150 Lightning models come standard with 2 electric motors and all-wheel drive. With the standard range battery, the motors combine to make 452 horsepower, but with the extended range battery the horsepower rating rises to 580. Peak torque is an impressive 775 pound-feet with either setup. Performance is impressive for a truck this heavy. On Lightnings equipped with the smaller 98.0 kilowatt-hour battery, Ford claims a driving range of 230 miles per charge. Upgrading to the larger 131.0 kilowatt-hour pack boosts the driving range to 320 miles. Like the truck's exterior, the F-150 Lightning's cabin is much the same as in the gasoline-powered F-150, with a few key differences such as an extra-large infotainment display. The F-150 Lightning is offered only as a crew cab with a 5.5-foot bed. It offers a large front trunk, frunk, that utilizes the space where the normal F-150's engine would sit, able to carry additional cargo weighing up to 400 pounds. A 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Ford Sync 4 software is standard, but Lariat and Platinum models come with an even larger 15.5-inch display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-dash navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard. Ford leverages its partnership with Bang & Olufsen to deliver 2 optional premium stereo systems, one with 8 speakers in the Lariat and one with 18 speakers in the Platinum. The maximum towing capacity of the Ford F-150 Lightning is 10,000 pounds, but only trucks with the optional extended range battery are capable of such feats. Standard range battery models are limited to 7,700 pounds. Payload capacity is as high as 2,000 pounds for the standard range model and as low as 1,800 pounds for the extended range.